change the way I feel about you. I promise I will stay forever close to you. We go together, it's all I know, side by side. College, Macfest, spend money, not eggs. Funny how you can open up the grayest sky with only one of your sweetest smile. We go together, it's all I know, side by side is how we grow hand in hand through these times. We'll fall and rise. We go together, it's all I know, side by side is how we grow. We go together, we go together, we go together, we go together.
Hello and welcome to Macfest. This is Tameside College's second event to held for Macfest. It's a celebration of Muslim culture, and I'm going to pass you over now to Shafia, who'll tell you a little bit more about some of the activities that we have on here today.
Okay, so my name is Shafia. I'm one of the Islam teacher here at Tameside College. I have invited one of the imam to give a speech on 5 pillars of Islam, and I am doing Islamic fashion show with the costumes. So that's it.
Hi, my name's Kim and I am the adult community teacher at TACE. In my room today we're celebrating henna, so we've got some lovely ladies coming in and doing that, and we're doing hand massages and we're doing manicures and we're doing hair as well, so braids and things like that.
Thank you. My name is Imran. I am basically a math teacher, but I can do sewing as well. So today I will be teaching learners how to sew a bag. So that's what I will be doing.
So welcome to Tameside College Macfest. It's the first time we've hosted this today, and Leanne, who's organised the event, will tell you more about it.
Hi, so today we've got the event at the college. We are doing a range of activities, arts and craft, henna, hair, beauty and nails, and we've got lots of cultural food.
Hello, my name is Rubana Mazari. I'm a trainee teacher at Tameside College. Today we are doing Macfest here, and we are supporting art and craft related to our culture, our Muslim community. So it's all related to our culture. They are doing flags and they're decorating bags and making cards related to our culture. Oh, that's really nice. Very nice. Thank you. We can take a picture.
Yes, it's amazing event in here, so I just attend that, and it's an experience with henna and also making just like this kind. I know more about the festival and painting on this kind of clothing, so that's a good experience.
So today for Macfest, in the arts and crafts section, a lot of our students have decided to use different stencils with Islamic architecture patterns or Islamic greetings, and have decorated some of their bags in their culture and what their identity means to them. So there are some examples of their flags and some Islamic art and different patterns. This is the crescent moon and like the mosque pattern.
Oh, okay. This is Iran.
Yes.
This is Ramadan Kareem. This is Islamic designs.
Rumi, she's the owner of this shop, and she's here to promote our students. Yeah. To give them experience of cultural Muslim outfits, and they could try it on if they want to.
The dress, and this is the scarf, matching scarf, and this is the bottom. This is earring, and this is full set earring. Tikka, called tikka, and this is the necklace. Okay. And some saris as well. We wear sometime party wear sari, wedding wear, then party, any party, family party, we wear sari like this.
This is the final product. I made a bag. You can see. So it starts from by cutting these handles, and there's iron over there.
Yeah.
And then press it.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And we get this one. Okay. And then that's just the fabric. And then we attach these handles with this, like this. Handles will be like this, and then we just stitch a bag all the way here, all the way here. And yeah,
This is the final product.
that's the final.
Why the contrast?
Okay, thank you so much, Annie. Okay then, YouTube writer.
All right, you have So, welcome everybody to Macfest Culture Day, okay? Macfest is a festival we run right across the Northwest in different colleges and schools, and it's the first time we come to Tameside, and absolutely thrilled. This college is amazing. We are so impressed by all the wonderful activities in all the rooms. Please try them.
Hey, assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Do we have Muslims here? Yeah. Oh, I don't need to say anything. Thank you very much. Just a raise of hands, Muslims, fellow Muslim brothers. Right, okay, fair enough. So I've been asked just to elaborate on the beliefs of Islam and the 5 pillars of Islam. My name is Kamaluddin, and my little bit of history about myself is as a young child, my father sent me to an all-out Islamic boarding school. So I went to the public primary schools that we have here. I'm from Hyde, and then I also went to the high technology school in Hyde as well, in high school. Year 8 onwards, my father said, you're going to a boarding school. At the time, I didn't really know what that was. They said it's an Islamic boarding school, you'll be memorizing the Quran there. I was like, really? The Quran? The cover to cover entire book? They said, yeah, everybody else does it. I said, fair enough, I'll give it a go. And from that time, I gave it a go. I was first, and then I realized that it's not an easy task. You're talking 114 chapters of the entire Quran, and that's like over 6,600 verses. So as I was memorizing and memorizing, I got halfway through and I decided I want to quit. You know, it really, one of the spectacles about Islam, the Quran is no ordinary religious text. I don't say that trying to be biased or anything like that, because obviously I have many Bibles at home as well. I read the Bible. I've got the KJV, King James Version, NIV, and I read this because I like to know who Jesus Christ. I like to learn about other faiths as well. But what I've realized is the reason why all the mosques are absolutely packed in Ramadan is because it's a spectacle, and we sometimes don't appreciate this. People from other faiths would. Is that the entire Quran, cover to cover, is recited in front of the whole audience. Shahada is a statement to declare that a person believes in one God. So the moment anyone declares out loud, you know, they say, okay, I testify there's only one God, and Prophet Muhammad is the final messenger, just like Moses is a messenger, Abraham messenger, Jesus is a messenger, Abraham is a messenger. At the moment somebody believes that in their heart and they testify it, they've taken the first step, they've entered into Islam. It makes them a Muslim. No baptism, no water, no nothing. So I always tell people, like, people say, so how do you be a Muslim? I just say, look, it's literally a 30-second process. Islam is very basic. The word Islam simply means to submit or to surrender your entire self to the will of God. So in other words, you're surrendering yourself to God, and whatever God wants you to do, you put your hands up and you say, I will do what the Creator wants me to do. Otherwise I have no purpose. Otherwise I'm just roaming around the world. So we believe as Muslims that the first person to ever submit and surrender wasn't Muhammad. Muhammad didn't come along and says, I'm starting a new revolution, it's called Islam. We believe it started from the very first man who set foot on this earth, from Adam. So Adam submitted himself to God, Noah submitted himself to God, Moses, Abraham submitted himself to God, Moses, including, this might raise a few eyebrows, but this is, ask any Muslim, this is our belief, Jesus Christ, we believe he submitted and he surrendered himself to the will of God. So ask of any Muslim child, what do you think Jesus is? They'll say Muslim. They're like, but wait a minute, Jesus can't be Muslim, he's not Muhammad. No, you don't need to meet Muhammad. Muslim, the Arabic word, means to totally surrender and submit yourself to the will of God.
Well, at Tameside College we have an absolute treats and delights of the culinary nature, from biscuits to fruit in cones. These have been done by members of the team here. This has been done by students. It's a dessert. We have like spring rolls, melon. This is a cake made by a member of the team downstairs on reception. Brownies. These have been done by Tameside College with the logo and also the biscuits. This has all been done down at the catering department here. Again, we've got authentic desserts that span across the Asian continent, leading to some red bean pudding, which I've never heard of, but it looks absolutely lovely. We have all this fare here, from samosas to pakoras to rice.
It's all biryani.
I don't know what that is. It's green with pomegranates, but it looks exceptional. Georgian food. Going down this side, we've got rice, potatoes, pakoras, bhajis, until at the end here, and obviously drinks as well. All made by students, members of the team at the college, staff and students.